pesos plus trophy and certificate.
At syempre, our first runner-up will receive a total of 250,000 pesos, trophy and certificate.
And the second runner-up will receive a total of 200,000 pesos plus trophy and certificate.
And our non-winning contingents will receive a total of 150,000 pesos.
So in short, walang uwing luhaan ngayong gabi. And of course, tonight we will be giving special awards for our contingents who will receive 5,000 pesos each. We have the best choreographer,
Best in choreography,
best in musicality,
best in production design,
and the best in street dancing.
yes. Yes. Amazing, of course, ang hirap at pagod ng ating mga trainers, partner. Our choreographers, coordinators, yan, ang ating mga directors.
Directors, hindi matatawaran po ang kanilang sakripisyo at dedication ngayong gabi.
Saludo kami sa inyo.
That's right. And of course, we would like to request one official watcher from our contingent number 6. Please come up stage to officially watch the performance time of the last contingent from the Jangas West Central Elementary School, Hugyao, Kanluran. Again, official time watcher from our contingent number 6. Please come up stage now. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Aabangan din natin ngayong gabi, partner, since we are having our closing ceremony kanina. Siyempre, meron pa rin aabangan yung ating mga generals tonight.
I think mayroon nang announce kanina, no, na mayroon tayong bisita ngayong gabi.
Si
I'm sure magpapakilig ng buong mga ng ating mga generals.
Sino ba
gabi.
ang ating bisita, partner?
Nako, malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po. Kaya wag po tayong uwi.
And
let's
now,
continue to celebrate Kalilangan Festival.
that's right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the last but not the least contingent number 6 from the Jangas West Central Elementary School, Hugyao, Kanluran. Okay, sorry. Okay, nagsignal yung ating organizer. Sige. Ayan, hindi pa natin sisimulan yung oras.
False alarm.
False alarm pala yun.
Okay, sige. Hintayin muna natin konti.
Oo, dapat coordinated ang lahat. Ating musicians, our participants, performers.
Instrumentalists, lahat, no?
Kasama na yan ang ating mga propsmen.
Yes, tama po. Ayan, handa-handa na po ang ating pangulit contingent para sa kanilang pasabog for the grand showdown of this year's Katsagayan Street Dancing Competition. Ayan, ready na po. Ladies and gentlemen, our last contender from the Jangas West Central Elementary School, Hugyao, Kanluran. Your performance time starts now.
General Paulino Santos, isa akong kilalang opisyal ng militar sa Pilipinas at naging unang Chief of Staff ng Philippine Army. Naging pinuno rin ako ng programa Paninirahan sa Lupa sa ilalim ni Pangulong Manuel L. Quezon. Pinangunahan ko ang pagdadala ng mga unang kanirahan sa Mindanao upang paunlarin ang mga lumang sakahan. Ito ang aking naging pamana.